Hi everybody, hello. This is just a quick video. It's just something that I'm going to be putting on my Ko-fi site to purchase, and I'm just giving you a quick walkthrough of what's included in this kit. So first off, this lovely, really thick, sturdy felt journal cover with the 6 holes in it. Easily spring open, easily close, and you can put whatever you like in there. You've got a big pocket at the back with some slits in if you want to put an extra tag or your credit cards or whatever. Here, a big pocket on the front with slits in, and you can get tags in there as well if you wish, or you can just put something in there. It's up to you, whatever takes your fancy. Now then, to go in here, I have sorted out some bits of paper and stuff. You lot seem to like that purple project that I did not long ago, so I thought that I would put a purple project together. So I have got, to start with, I've got some, this isn't ordinary Dibby Dabby, it's on mixed media card, but it's acrylic. It's the Dina Wakley sprays, and they're just so lovely. So you can die cut those, you can cut them up, you can use them as they are, just put the holes down. So we've got purple and we've got green, just glorious. Look at those, they're really lovely. So we've got those that you can make pages out of or do as you wish. We've then got some pages that I have already started to put together using die cuts and all sorts of things, which you can use or not as you wish. But the thing is, these have got the 6 holes cut in them, so if you haven't got a punch that does the 6 holes, just hold that over your bit of paper that you want to, and then you can punch through where these holes are. So as I say, use them or not as you wish. That one will just fit onto there, and you can add a little pocket on there or whatever. This one, these are Botanic, obviously strongly botanical. Then there's this one, it flips out like so. Beautiful yellows, but the yellow goes beautifully with the purple, I think. Where's that purple that I showed you? I don't know. I do not know where I put it. But purple and yellow, oh, there it is, look. Marriage made in heaven. And you've got the green as well. So really it's very complementary. Well, I hope it is. I made it to be so. And you can add pockets or whatever. You've got the papers to do that with. This one, just a plain one with some botanicals on. This one is a flip down and a flip up. Decorate as you wish. Then we've got this one that fits in there. It's a ticket shape, but you can easily make that into a little pocket, little side tuck, whatever. And this one, plain page. Look at, oh, it's so lovely. This one flips down. Then we've got this little tag that you can put top or bottom, and then this is the last page, and it's kind of pinky, but it's more like that Victorian velvet, you know, where it's almost into the purples, you can see, and beautiful yellow on the back. So those, now we've talked about all of those, and then I have some papers for you, some green that is not decorated but it does have the holes in, ready to go. So there's one, this one's got a pocket on the bottom, but you could cut it off, you don't have to go with that. Another one and another one, so you can add these, you can make your entire journal out of these, or you can add them to what's already there. Then we've got some purple one, no, we've got some plain green without the holes in, so you can cut those up for pockets, or you can add them to your journal, whatever floats your boat really. Then we've got some purple patterned. Look at that, guys. How beautiful is that? It's gorgeous. It's glorious. I love it. And then we've got a similar one but in green. Looks beautiful in there, doesn't it? And then a plain piece of purple in 2 shades. Actually, I'm wrong. That's the piece of purple, the journal size. These 2 are remnants. These ones are remnants, but I've put them in because you can make pockets and stuff out of them really easily, so they're good to have. Then we've got some tags or journaling cards. I haven't cut these off into tag shape because I didn't know if you'd want to just round the corners and have journaling cards, or if you'd want to make the, cut the corners off and make them into tags. Entirely up to you. They come with. Then we've got this bag. Let me move all of this stuff. This Polly Pocket, which is absolutely full of die cuts. As you can see there's lots of hole reinforcements. There's some arrows, there's stars, and then here we've got all sorts of stuff. You just need to sort through it, see what you want to use. Tag toppers. This little one says photo. See that? Memories. Hole reinforcers. Whale top tabs in purple. A big lilac butterfly. There's loads. There's absolutely loads in here. Just loads. There just is loads. So you'll have fun going out through those. Details, and you can put a date on there or whatever you want to. Inspire. Lots of stars. I like stars. Another tag topper. There's just, yeah, there's quite a lot there to keep you busy, I think. Quite a lot for you to look through to begin with and work out what you want to use. Memories, another tag topper, click, some hole reinforcers, chevrons. I'll leave the rest up to you. There's arrows, there's loads. So let's put those away in there safely. And I'm sure you'll have great fun with those. So that's the die cuts. And then we move on to, well, here there's just a couple of envelopes in the purpley tones and a remnant, a light lilac remnant. So I'll pop that in with the remnants. Then there's the envelope. Then we've got all of this stuff. So 2 rolls of washi. This one's postage stamps, but very, very botanical. This one is green gingham, which I'm sure you'll find a use for. And where to start? Well, we'll start with this one because I haven't closed it up yet. So lots of labels on mixed media paper. The green, I don't know if you can see that, they're archival olive green. And you can dibby-dabby them, you can stamp on them, you can do as you wish, of course. Then we've got some green gingham ribbon. That is a pin, so watch out, it's sharp. And there's quite a bit of that green gingham. A little bit of green twine, just in case you want that. And then there's these index markers that go over your page. You'll hold something onto your page in cream, which complements the journal, of course. So let's just peel one of these off if we can and seal that up. Now you know what's in it. And they're beautiful in their own right, actually. They are stamps. The edges look like stamps. They're really, really pretty. So that's that bag. There's a couple of bits of ephemera here, really nice. Then in here we've just got lots and lots of labels or ephemera, word sticks, whatever you want to call them, that I've cut out for you. You might want to cut them out a bit better. I was getting tired by the time I got to the end of it. Yeah, and there's one purple label in there. I don't know how that managed it, but it did. So that's full of those for you to use on your pages. Although, you know, as I say, you have got quite a lot of this green card, so you could make your own, saying anything you like. There we are, that's that one. And they're in these glassine bags, which in themselves can go into your journals. Then in here we've got, sticking with the botanical theme, we've got some ribbon roses in a couple, I think there's a couple of different shades of them, darker and a slightly lighter one. Some silk bows, organza bow, some little brads that are almost purple, you might think they are, and a nice larger flower there, which probably could do with a pearl or something in the middle. Leave that up to you. So just some things for you to decorate with, should you wish to. Then we've got a bag of stickers, purple. Really nice. You'll have seen me use these before. I have used several bags of this actually. They're really nice. It says there's 40 pieces, so no reason to doubt that. They are nice. Then here there's some more satin bows in purple. You're never going to want for satin bows again. Then here we've got a couple of swatch things, because I know you liked those when I did those. So I've done a couple of swatches for you in the green. Then in here, this little bag of goodies, we've got all sorts of decorating stuff. So butterflies upon butterflies, more butterflies I think than you need for the whole journal. But if you are keen on butterflies and want to put one on every page, I think you've probably even got enough for that. We've got some real postage stamps here in the right shade with the Queen on, and then a couple, they might be Kathy Holden or Timmy, I'm not sure, and then some little bits of ephemera in the appropriate colour for you to use to decorate. So that, I think, is that. There's a lot of stuff, there really is a lot of stuff there, and I need to tell you at this stage that if it's going to the UK, the postage is £3. If it's going to the US or anywhere else, the postage is £21. There isn't anything I can do about that. I can't alter the postage. So I'm really sorry that it is quite so much for the postage abroad. It's just the way it is. It's an absolute scunner. There's nothing I can do about it. But there we are. It's a really big journaling set. Got all your little bits to decorate, your washies, your envelopes, all your die cuts, and then you've got all of your papers. I mean, there's some beauties amongst them. and plenty plain ones for you to make your pockets and everything else. So I'll list this on Ko-fi right away. I realise at the moment it's the middle of the night for you guys in the US. So, you know, hopefully it'll be there if you want it. There's only one of them. There only ever will be one of these, I think. Yeah, definitely, because I haven't got any more of this green card and I'm not buying any more. So, thanks for joining me. It's just a quickie, just to show you what's going in Ko-fi. So, have a good day, everybody, and I'll see you soon. Bye.